Have you spent countless hours watching online tutorials without seeing results? If you've watched hundreds of videos on affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and AI businesses but haven't launched anything, you're not alone. The confusion can be overwhelming. But what if there was a structured roadmap to guide you? Welcome to the Dave Nick Online Business Academy. This platform offers a cohesive educational experience designed specifically for digital entrepreneurs. Rather than theoretical lectures, you get actionable blueprints focused on practical implementation. This makes it ideal for beginners lost in the sea of conflicting advice. The Online Business Academy encompasses various high-income skills, including YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, and AI business models. With this diverse scope, you can find exactly what you need to build a digital asset and generate income. Now, let's dive deeper into what the Academy offers. First up is the Online Business Club. This exclusive networking community is designed for like-minded entrepreneurs who provide support and share insights. Members gain access to unique blueprints that are not available anywhere else. Plus, exciting giveaways keep spirits high among ambitious digital marketers. Next, we have the 50 Unique Business Models course. Here, beginners can select from proven business strategies tailored to modern market needs. Each model is broken down to showcase investment requirements and potential returns, helping you make an informed choice. The Academy also prepares you for the future through its AI training modules. You'll learn to harness the latest AI tools for content creation and business automation. Keeping your skill set relevant ensures you stay competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Now, let's talk about YouTube automation, one of the most popular ways to generate passive income today. The Automation Systems 2.0 course teaches you to build faceless channels, manage teams of freelancers, and optimize for organic traffic. With good analytics, you can monitor your progress and scale efficiently. Short-form content is taking the web by storm, which is where the YouTube Shorts Billions blueprint comes in. This course dives into creating viral, engaging content that drives massive viewer engagement, setting you up for monetization success. If you're someone who prefers a data-driven strategy, the Intelligent YouTube Automation course will suit you perfectly. With a focus on analytics, you can pivot your content based on what's working, minimizing emotional decision-making. For those just starting out, the complete YouTube automation course provides a friendly entry point, guiding you through every step from scratch. Moving on to Digital Products, the Art of Selling. Digital Products course equips you to create, package, and market digital goods, from ebooks to online courses, effortlessly. Pair this with the Secrets of Effective Copywriting course to sharpen your sales writing skills and skyrocket conversions. With rising demand in B2B services, start an AI automation agency using the intensive program designed for selling custom AI solutions. If creating your digital products isn't your thing, affiliate marketing might be perfect for you. The courses on Pinterest Affiliate Marketing and CPA Marketing Masterclass provide proven strategies to drive traffic and conversions. Plus, you'll learn about passive income through affiliate marketing secrets to build trust and a loyal audience. One standout feature of the Academy is the Done For You Assets program. Skip the lengthy setup and get started right away with monetized YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, or Amazon affiliate websites. These options allow you to begin earning revenue from day one, making it perfect for those with limited time. However, there are a few things to consider. While the extensive content provided may seem daunting, each course is designed to be beginner-friendly. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. True success derives from consistent effort and execution. Who should join the Academy? It's perfect for beginners seeking structure, affiliate marketers wanting laid-out plans, content creators, AI enthusiasts, or entrepreneurs looking for diverse income streams. In closing, the Dave Nick Online Business Academy presents a comprehensive ecosystem filled with actionable courses rather than scattered information. It emphasizes YouTube automation, AI integration, affiliate marketing, and digital products, providing everything you need to succeed. So, take the first step toward financial freedom. Visit the Academy directory, explore the resources available, and take action. Remember, the right investment in education is the key to unlocking your online success. Get started today and gain access to 14 proven blueprints that will help you launch, monetize, and automate your online business efficiently. Don't miss out. Transform your aspirations into achievements. Check the description for all the resources mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.